I don't think there's anything wrong with selling pussy. But I want to talk about something. I'm not gonna call no name. It's regarding this social media couple. The social media couple where everybody like and think them perfect and them are this and them are that, right? But turns out all that glitters is not gold. Me I say something about the bee I sell pussy for fun or lifestyle. But here's my thing though. I don't think there's anything wrong with selling pussy. Right? I don't think so. Prostitution is the oldest profession. When you read the Bible mentions prostitutes, am I right? Yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with selling pussy. As long as you're not hurt nobody, you're very open and you're transparent with how you get your money. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. But if you're putting out an image on social media, you being a hard-working woman, although to be fair, prostitutes they do work hard. But this image that you're putting on for social media, like you're spending all this money on parties and can buy the designer clothes and all the expensive stuff. But meanwhile, like you're an escort. You leave out that part of the story there. And then this is also to mention too. I think a lot of us we idolize a lot of these social media influencers. We look at their lifestyle, we look at what they're posting. And then we oftentimes we compare ourselves with them. And then we're like, oh, okay, when me I get a BMW there, Jano Star, oh, me can't do this, oh, me can't do that. When me want travel, why me can't travel as much as them? When in reality, some of them just a sell pussy. So, if you want to live the lifestyle, maybe you need to start sell some pussy too.